Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making cheesy taco skillet. Alright, I'm starting out here in a large skillet I have preheating. And I have roughly a little over 2 pounds of ground beef. This isn't lean, so I'm going to have to drain off the excess grease when it's done frying. I'm going to get that into my skillet. And I also have 1 medium onion and 1 red bell pepper I diced. We're going to fry that in with the ground beef. Right now that my ground beef is all browned up and my vegetables are tender, I'm going to add my seasonings in. I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add in a tablespoon of chili powder. And I'm just eyeballing this, guys. And I'm going to add in a tablespoon of cumin. And the cumin and chili powder will give this really good earthy flavors. I'm also going to add in a tablespoon of hot sauce. Let me give that a stir. Dexter, that hot sauce wake you up? He likes the word hot sauce, guys. You just want to mix your spices in good. Alright. Now I have a 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes I drained. I'm going to put them in. And I have a 15-ounce can of black beans I drained and rinsed. I'm going to put them in. And I'm going to allow this to cook over medium heat for just a few minutes to warm those tomatoes and beans up. Alright, now that my beans and my tomatoes are warmed through, I'm going to add some cheese to this. I'm using Fiesta blend. It's a Mexican blend of cheese. You could also use taco cheese or even cheddar cheese. I'm going to put a healthy coating of this on top. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my temperature down low. And I'm going to put a lid on this and let this sit for just a few minutes to melt that cheese. Alright guys, I let this go for a few minutes. Now I'm going to garnish it with some green onion. This is for color and for some added flavor. Alright, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I went ahead and served this over some tortilla chips. I put some salsa on there, some more cheese and some more green onion. Let me get in here and try this. Tell you what, it's looking and smelling delicious in here, guys. That's really good. You get the crunch from the tortilla chips. That meat is really well seasoned. That cumin and that chili powder really sets it off. Holly's in the background here eating some tortilla chips. She can't wait for her supper. That's really good and delicious, and it wasn't hard at all. And I'll tell you what, that's worth trying. Alright, there you have it. Cheesy taco skillet. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.